Flight controllers at NASA have been forced to abandon 5 attempts to land a shuttle returning from the International Space Station because of bad weather. They'll be trying again in around a couple of hours' time. Experts say the shuttle has enough fuel to stay airborne for another 24 hours at most.
Day 13 of all days, and the Space Shuttle Atlantis mission is in need of a stroke of luck. Bad weather on Earth has put paid to any attempts to land since Sunday, and time is running out. Up until now, everything's gone smoothly for the crew of 5, whose main objective was to link up with the International Space Station to install a multi-million-pound laboratory called Destiny.
Looks like all the hard work has really paid off. It's a beautiful piece of hardware in here.
It's been described as the most significant stage so far in this hugely ambitious project.
Copy, a great first moment here.
After Atlantis successfully separated from the space station, all that remained was to return home. 4 landings, though, have now been aborted because of the weather. So keeping sleepy astronauts awake has required some novel improvisation from mission control. Throughout the day, they've been noisily piping The Clash, whose lyrics in the circumstances could perhaps be construed as rather teasing.
So you've got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go?
With only enough air, fuel and water to last until tomorrow, NASA has within the last hour abandoned plans to land in Florida and will instead attempt to fly into an airbase in California at 8:30 this evening. John McIntyre, BBC News.